In this video, we'll talk about abstract classes and abstract methods. So now what exactly abstract methods are? So for this, let me write a class called as X. Now in this class, I want two methods. One method will be public void show, and the second method will be public void magic. Okay, so we'll say it is magic. Now, if we talk about this method show, I know the implementation of show, which means I can write it as system dot out dot print. So I know what this show will do. Show will say hello world. Again, there might be some complex logic here, but in this example, I want to go for only a print statement called as hello. Now the problem with this magic is I know there should be a method called as magic, but I don't know what is the implementation. That means I don't know what to define here. If you don't know how to define a method, you don't have to write it, right? So we'll say delete. But the problem is I don't know what's the implementation, but still I need that method there. So I want magic should be here, but I don't know what's the implementation. So if you don't know what is the implementation, what you can simply do is you can simply specify it as declared. So I'm writing magic, which is declared. So any method which is only declared, not defined, you can call those methods as abstract. So what basically abstract methods are? Abstract methods are methods which are only declared, they are not defined. So we have to write public abstract void magic. So we have to provide a semicolon here. Now abstract is an inbuilt keyword in Java. Okay, so if you write abstract with a method, that method becomes abstract method. Now, since we have a class X which has a method called as abstract, so we need to define, we have to say this class becomes abstract class. So I have to write class X is also abstract now. So if we have any class which has at least one abstract method, that class becomes abstract class. Simple. So we have a class called as X which has a method called as magic which is abstract. So this class becomes abstract. Now that doesn't mean if I have a class, let's say, let me get one more abstract class, we'll say class B. If I have a class B which is abstract, that doesn't mean I should have at least one abstract method. You can have an abstract class without any abstract method. You can have a blank class or any class or the class with any method, let's say public void ABC, and you have this method defined. It's not compulsory to have an abstract method in abstract class, okay, but it is compulsory to so that if you have a method which is abstract, that class should be abstract. Okay, so once again, if your class is abstract, that doesn't mean you need an abstract method, but if your class has an abstract method, that class should be abstract class. Clear? So this is how you should use abstract class and abstract method. Clear? So in the next video, we'll see some of the important features of abstract class.